Shippers should choose Schulz Logistics for full truckload shipping because that is our area of expertise. We have moved tens of thousands of loads, full truckload. It's something our carrier network is built for, and we have a presence across the United States and are already familiar with the vast majority of the high volume shippers and receivers. Our full truckload shipping approach really revolves around our knowledge and our confidence. Every one of our employees that has an asset history has worked with full truckloads. So literally every year of experience we have is involved in this shipment method. So we know what the problems are. We've seen almost everything and we know how to approach everything. Communication is important. You need to understand what the problem is. We involve the customer if we need to. After hours, we're able to make the decision that we know our customers are going to make. And that comes from very intimate knowledge of our customer and also what the best options are. So we have great confidence in being able to solve problems for our customers instead of presenting them with problems. We understand a lot of the problems that come up regularly, and we also know how to address them. During the day when our customers are available, we always keep them in the loop and get their input. But if they're not available, we have the confidence and a relationship with our customer where we can take the best path forward and let our customer know what we did. It really makes us a lot more responsive than what most people are used to.